Now, second example, when limits are not given, evaluate double integration xy dx dy where region is bounded by x is greater than equal to 0, y is greater than equal to 0 and x plus y is less than equal to 1. Now first we have to find region of double integration. For x is greater than equal to 0, suppose we take x is equal to 0. That is the equation. X is equal to 0 is equation of x-axis, equation of y-axis. Y is equal to 0 is equation of x-axis. These are standard equations. Then x plus y less than equal to 1. For this, x plus y is equal to 1. X plus y is equal to 1 is equation of straight line. Now we know the equation of line is given by ax plus by is equal to c. General equation is ax plus by is equal to c. From this, a, b and c are 1. This is equation of straight line. Now first we have to find point of intersections between these three equations. X is equal to 0. If there are three equations, first take first and second equation, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. That means the point is 0, 0. For second coordinate, put first equation and third equation. First equation and third equation, suppose x is equal to 0 and x plus y is equal to 1. Means intersection between y-axis and line. X is equal to 0, if put in this equation 0 plus y is equal to 1, then y is equal to 1. Therefore this coordinate is, point is, x coordinate is 0, then y coordinate is 1, that is 0, 1. Suppose we take first and second equation, then first and third equation, then second and third equation. Second equation and third equation, y is equal to 0 and x plus y is equal to 1. Put y is equal to 0 in this second equation, then x plus 0 is equal to 1. Then x is equal to 1. Means the coordinate is, point is, x coordinate is, x value is 1 and y value is 0. Now when three equations are given in region, first we have to take first, second and third, and first and third. Means take two equations at a time to find point of intersection. Now 0, 0 is origin, 0, 1. X coordinate is 0 on which axis? Y axis. Therefore point 0, 1, this is on which axis? Y axis. X coordinate is 0 on y axis. Y coordinate is 0 on x axis. This point 1, 0 is on y is equal to 0, means which is on x axis. 1, 0 point on x axis. Means there are 3 points. First is origin. 0, 1 point is on y axis because x coordinate is 0 on y axis always. 1, 0 point is on x axis because y coordinate is 0 on x axis. Now we can draw figure. For region axis, this is x-axis, y-axis. Now the points, first point is origin, that is 0, 0. Next point is on x-axis, the point is 1, 0. Just consider 1 on x-axis like this. Suppose this is 1, 0 point. X coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 0. On y-axis, take the same distance 1 here. This is a figure, but y-axis, the coordinate on y-axis is 0, 1. X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 1. Means x distance is 1 and y distance is 1. Now join these 2 points, 0, 1 and 1, 0 point. Then you will get straight line. This is a straight line. Now equation of this straight line is x plus y is equal to 1. Equation of x-axis, y is equal to 0. Equation of y-axis, x is equal to 0. This always give all the equations here in figure. Now region is x is greater than equal to 0, means take all positive side of x-axis. Greater than means value of x should be greater than. Means greater than side means all positive sides like this. X is greater than equal to 0. Similarly, y is greater than equal to 0 means only positive sides, and x plus y is less than equal to 1. Less than means below this line. Means this is the region of double integration. Now if we have to solve this by vertical strip, now take a vertical strip between this region. Now vertical strip, for vertical strip, inner limits at the end of the strip, we have to take values of y. Lower limit means lower end of the strip, y is equal to 0. Already it is a y value is 0 at this point. This is on x-axis and value is y is equal to 0. Value of y is 0. Therefore lower limit is 0. Lower limit means lower end of the strip, value of y. Upper limit means upper end of the strip, 0 to upper end of the strip. Upper end is on the straight line x plus y is equal to 1. Therefore from this x plus y is equal to 1, y value is y is equal to 1 minus x. This is y value. Y is 1 minus x. Therefore value of y is 1 minus x. Inner limits means end of the strip values of y, lower end means lower limit, upper end means upper limit. Lower limit is y is equal to 0, so value lower limit of strip is 0. Upper limit is y is equal to 1 minus x, so upper limit is 1 minus x, 0 to 1 minus x. Outer limits are always constant. Now this strip is moving strip, it moves from y-axis, it will move from y-axis. That strip is flexible, and outer limits means x coordinate of starting and end point in movement of the strip. Now this strip will move from y-axis. It is a flexible strip, therefore it will move from y-axis and it will end up to last point is 1 0. Now here this starting point is 0 0. This is the start, and this is a last point is end point. 1 0 point is end point in movement. Now x coordinates of starting point, that is 0. X coordinate of starting point is 0, and again x coordinate of end point is 1. Therefore the outer limits are 0 to 1. Now we can say starting point is also 0 1. Here is also 0 1. You can take starting point 0 1 because 0 1 and 0 0 is on the same line. If you take this starting point, then the x coordinate will be also 0. Then lower limit will be same, that is 0. Upper limit is 1. Lower limit means starting point x coordinate, and upper limit means starting point x coordinate of end point, not starting point, that is 0 1. Then integration will be outer limits 0 to 1, outer limits, inner limits 0 to 1 minus x, xy, dx, dy. Now first see, inner limits are in terms of x, inner limits are in terms of x, therefore first integrate with respect to y. First integrate with respect to y, taking x as a constant. Inner limits, when inner limits are in terms of x, first integrate with respect to y, taking x constant. 0 to 1. Now if x is constant and it is multiplied to the another term, then we can take it outside because x is constant now. Then first integration is 0 to 1 minus x. Integration is with respect to y first, so y dy and bracket complete, then dx. If first integration is with respect to y, therefore dy should be first and then dx, x constant, therefore x is outside. Only take integration of y dy first. Integration of y is y square by 2 0 to 1, x as it is. Now first integrate y dy is y square by 2, limit 0 to 1 minus x and dx as it is. Now limits of y is equal to 1 minus x and y is equal to 0. 0 to 1, x as it is. Y replaced by 1 minus x. So limit, upper limit is 1 minus x. Y square है, therefore bracket square upon 2 minus lower limit y is equal to 0. So 0 by 2 is 0 dx. 1/2 integration. 1/2 is outside because it is constant, x into 1 minus x square, squaring 1 minus 2x plus x square dx. A minus b bracket square. 1 minus 2x minus 2x plus x square dx. Then 1/2 integration x multiply x into 1 is x minus 2 x into x is x square plus x into x square is x cube dx. Then integrate when the terms are separate, which are only in terms of x, then integrate with respect to x. One half. Now integration of x square by 2 minus 2 is constant. Integration of x square is x cube by 3 and plus integration of x cube is x raised to 4 by 4 and limits 0 to 1. Now upper limit is 1, then value of x is 1. Lower limit is 0. Then put limits 1/2. 1 square is 1. 1/2 minus 2. 1 cube is 1, then 2 by 3. 1 raised to 4 is 1. 1 by 4. Upper limit minus lower limit, but lower limit is 0. 0 by 2, 0 by 3, 0 by 4, all will become 0. Therefore lower limit is 0. Then 1/2. LCM is 3 into 4, that is 12, maximum number, which is divisible by 2. Therefore 2 into 6 is 12, therefore 6 minus 3 into 4, so 4 into 2 minus 8 and plus 4 into 3 is 12, therefore 1 into 3 is 3. So 1 by 2, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 minus 8 is 1 and 1 upon 12. Answer is 1 by 24.